I received this booklet in the mail, and in this booklet, it has 128 among other companies, but 128 is the only one that has the pipe lining. My name is Rosemary Farber. Everyone calls me Ro. I live at Salem, Massachusetts. I am from Las Vegas, Nevada, and my husband and I looked to 128 for pipe fitting. When I first moved here many years ago, 14 I would say, my husband had a leak, but it wasn't a big leak. It was like a sweating of some sort. But as the years went on, I felt that it was more of a dripping now. And my husband kept saying, oh no, you don't want to do anything. It's all good, don't worry about it. And it's right by the laundry area, and it was leaking more so than before. Would you believe we started to have some issues with a little bit of backup? We were concerned with having to dig up the front and us having to pay for the landscaping and having to dig through the foundation. My husband was not into that. But 128 told us, give us a chance. So 128 came in, put a camera in the pipe that needed to be looked at. And I sneaked down there, and Charlie was nice enough to let me look at his pad, and they had the camera go through the pipe. It was fabulous. I was like, wow, you could see in the pipe to see what the issues were. And the next day they came, and it was done, taken care of, no mess, without all this extra expense. And by the way, I made lunch for the guys that came that day. They were so professional, so I went out and got lunch meat and bread, and nothing fancy, and they came and had lunch with me around 12. And now I'm having 128 come out tomorrow to put a ductless in my house. After everything I've been through, yes, I would recommend them.